Hello, I'm Yukiko Miyai, and this is Crafter's Clay from Martha Stewart Crafts. Crafter's Clay is a lightweight, paper-based compound that dries to perfect finish in 24 hours. You can add glitter, paint, or sealant to your dry clay or leave it natural. With Martha Stewart Crafts floral detailing tools, you can work with the clay in new ways, and you can add extra details to your project. So now we are going to show you how to use this floral toolkit. This toolkit comes with a floral tape and floral wire, and it comes 4 different shapes of the tools. So now I'm going to show you how to make a hydrangea, making a teardrop shape, using a scissor, cut into 4 equal amount. Squeeze the bottom, opening up. Use the skinny end, opening up, flatten the clay, so now you can use this angle stick, skinny side, to give some texture. Take a tiny pinch of clay for the center. So kind of gives the texture. Pinch off the excess. So now once you make a bunch of this, you can make it into a bouquet like this. So now I'm going to show you how to use this round stick. So this is the silicone mold. We just press the clay into a mold. Use this stick to take off the excess. Or you can make some rose petal. Use this stick to smooth the petals, make it thinner. Or you can use angle stick to give some texture. So now we are using these 4 sticks to make a figurine head. Stretch the clay to make the clay really smooth ball. Make into an egg shape. Use this round stick to push the center. This will be the eye part. Take a tiny little ball, attach to the center. This will be a nose, using this small stick, skinny stick, to smooth the side of the nose and the top of the nose to join together. So now we are going to use this flat angle stick to open up the mouth. Use a skinny stick again to push the side of the mouth. And then make the bottom part of the lips. Open up the top part of the lips. So it gives a little more depth to the eye. So cut the bottom of the head to create the chin. You can also make the ear